Hey there, folks. We're going down the rabbit hole one more time. Again, today's tip is in Suno AI, and today's tip is all about personas and how to use personas in Suno AI. Now, I have used personas before. What exactly is a persona? Persona are a profile that's built into Suno, so then you can maintain some consistency in your generations, in your tracks. If you like a certain sound or a certain style, or you like that vocal arrangement, you can save that as a persona in Suno, and then when you go to recreate something else or generate something brand new, you can apply that persona to the new generation, and Suno, I'm going to say, will attempt to keep that sound, keep that style, so that you can maintain some consistency. That's basically what personas are. So let's get into it. We're going to go and create a song today using my persona. So I've got loads of personas here in Suno. I've got me, I've got Francis, I've got the Neo Soul one, I've got Mint, I've got quite a few. These are just sounds that I've liked in the past. So I really like that one. It's very cool. I've got a pop one here as well.
I'm breaking records all in the charts, but every beat I'm stealing hard.
Okay, so they're the personas you can go and access in Suno. Let's quickly add our audio, because that's what we like to do here. We add our own original audios. So today's one is all about AI. Let's go and click record. And let me get a click track going. Here we go. Is it okay to love AI? Is it a trend just passing by? Is it okay to love AI, or will it stay till the day we die? Now this is where we're going to go and add our persona. So let's start with the pop one, which is a little spark. So we're going to add a little spark into our persona here, and using that audio and the lyrics that we've uploaded. It's a pop R&B short vibe. Keep the weirdness down, 100% up on the style and the audio influence. And I'm just going to go make sure we keep our filing system in order by adding pop to that. Okay, so we've got the variations back now. Let's quickly have a listen to the Is It Okay pop by Lil Spark.
Is it okay to love AI? Is it a trend just passing by? Is it okay to love AI, or will it stay till the day we die?
Oh, very nice. So it's used that persona of Lil Spark to generate the Lil Spark version of that audio that I uploaded. Let's see what the variation number 2 is.
Is it okay to love AI? Is it a trend just passing by? Is it okay to love AI, or will it stay till the day we die?
That's awesome. Just try something else. Here's me. So I'm going to add me into this and keep everything the same. Let's see what I sound like. And let's click variation number 1. Here it is.
Is it okay to love AI? Is it a trend just passing by? Is it okay to love AI, or will it stay till the day we die?
Okay, that was definitely the profile that I've picked, the persona that I picked. Did change the melody slightly. Let's go and have a listen to variation number 2.
Is it okay to love AI? Is it a trend just passing by?
Better.
Is it okay to love AI, or will it stay till the day we die?
That's so much better. Okay, so there's the creation or the variation number 2. using the Lewis persona. If you want to save your persona, click the persona button and then click create persona and then fill out all the details and then click save. I won't save that because I've already done that. But that's how you create a persona, which will allow you to maintain consistency or close to the consistency that you're after. So always remember that Suno will get to 90%, maybe 95%, because we're up to version 4.5. It'll get to 95% of what you're trying to achieve. If you liked anything in this video, you picked up any tips, hacks, or tricks, like the video, share the content, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm confident as we continue down this rabbit hole, I will see you in the next video.